iPhone screen doesn't sleep or turn off iPhone 16 Pro Max. In today's video, we're going to talk about a common issue some iPhone 16 Pro and 16 Pro Max users face. The screen won't sleep or turn off when it should. Now, if you're having this problem, don't worry, I've got you covered with a quick and easy fix, so let's dive right in. First things first, let's start with the simplest solution, checking your auto lock settings. Sometimes the screen doesn't turn off because auto lock is set to never. Here's how to check it. Go to settings and simply tap on display and brightness. Simply tap on auto lock. Here, as you can see, it's on 30 seconds. Make sure it's something like 30 seconds, 1 minute or 2 minutes rather than never. If your auto lock is set to never, your iPhone will keep the screen on indefinitely, which is probably why it's not turning off. Just adjust that and see if it helps. Now let's check the raise to wake feature. While it's handy, sometimes it can cause the screen to stay on unnecessarily. Back on display and brightness, here you can see raise to wake is toggle on. Simply turn it off. Disabling raise to wake might help if your iPhone screen stays on too long without you wanting it to. Now, another reason your screen might not be sleeping is because of certain apps running in the background. Some apps prevent the phone from going to sleep, especially media apps or those using location services. Now, swipe off from the bottom and close any apps that you're not using by swiping them away like this. Once you've closed the apps, check if your phone starts sleeping properly again. And that's it. That's how you simply fix the issue of your iPhone 16 Pro or 16 Pro Max screen not turning off or sleeping.